Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust mirrors in your Tesla Model 3. First, let's get started by accessing the mirror controls. Simply tap the controls icon on your large touchscreen display. From there, navigate to Quick Controls, and you will see the mirror adjustment options. You can then select either the left or right mirror to begin fine-tuning its position. This initial step is crucial for setting up your personalized driving experience. Once you have selected a mirror, you will use the left scroll wheel on your steering yoke to make precise adjustments. Roll the wheel up or down to move the mirror vertically, and press it left or right to adjust it horizontally. The goal is to position your side mirrors so you can just barely see the side of your vehicle, maximizing your view of the road behind you and minimizing blind spots. Take your time to get it just right. Beyond basic positioning, your Tesla Model 3 offers convenient mirror features. You can enable or disable the auto-dimming function for your side mirrors directly from the touchscreen, which is great for night driving. Also, consider setting your mirrors to automatically fold when you park or lock the vehicle, protecting them in tight spaces. If needed, you can always manually fold or unfold them with a simple tap on the display. These features add both convenience and protection. After you've perfected your mirror positions, remember to save these settings to your driver profile. This ensures that your personalized adjustments are recalled every time you get into the car, even if another driver has used it. Proper mirror adjustment is a critical safety measure, helping to minimize blind spots and provide a clear view of your surroundings. Always double-check your mirror alignment before driving to ensure maximum safety on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.